Once again back with the questions of CAT 2020. Here in this question number 4, the question is John takes twice as much time as Jack to finish a job. Which means if John takes twice time as comparison to Jack, which means that the Jack efficiency must be double that of the John. And in the reverse order we can say that John efficiency must be half of the Jack. So the ratio of the John efficiency to that of the Jack, the ratio of the efficiency, that must be 1:2. In that time Jack can do 2 units, John will do 1 units, and to complete the 2 units John will take double of the time. That's what told here. The next is Jack and Jim together take 1/3 of the time to finish the job than John takes working alone, which means that John को काम करने में अकेले जितना टाइम लगता है उसका 1/3 टाइम्स में जैक एंड जिम दोनों मिलकर काम कर सकता है. इसका मतलब है कि जैक एंड जिम का जो टोटल एफिशिएंसी होगा उसका 1/3 एफिशिएंसी होगा जॉन का. सो यहां से हम लोग क्या बात कर सकते हैं कि दैट जॉन एफिशिएंसी is to Jack plus Jim efficiency, the combined efficiency of Jack plus Jim. So if I say that the John is 1, in that case Jack plus Jim will be 3. So जितना टाइम इन लोगों को 3 यूनिट करने में लगेगा, जॉन को कंप्लीट करने में कितना टाइम लगेगा? 3 दिन. दैट मीन्स व्हाट, एक दिन में ये 3 यूनिट कर सकते हैं एंड ये 3 दिन में 3 यूनिट कर सकता है, विच मीन्स दे आर टेकिंग द 1/3 ऑफ द टाइम टेकन बाय द जॉन, राइट? सो नाउ इफ इट combine this ratio, what we will get is John is to Jack plus Jim. So we know that if John is 1, Jack is 2, and when John is 1, the Jack plus Jim efficiency is 3. Or we can say that x, 2x and 3x. So if the Jack plus Jim is 3x and Jack alone is 2x, which means that the Jim alone efficiency will be how much? 3x minus 2x, which is x. So the efficiency of John and Jim are basically the same. They will take the same time when they will work alone. Now the question says that moreover, in order to finish the job, John takes 3 days more than taken by 3 of them working together. तीनों मिलके जितना टाइम लेता है जॉन उससे 3 दिन ज्यादा टाइम लेता है, राइट? तो लेट अस से द टाइम टेकन बाय 3 आर t, right? If the time taken by all, when they all complete, is t, which means that the time for John in that case will be t plus 3, because John takes 3 days more. And the efficiency of combined efficiency of all will be how much? The John is x and Jack plus Jim is 3x, so the total is 4x. So the total efficiency of all into time will give us the work. Similarly, the John efficiency, which is x into the time taken by John, will also give us the work. Both should be equals. Now if we cancel out x, what we get here is 4 times of t is equals to t plus 3. If we take t this side, what we will get is t is equals to 1. So if t is equals to 1, which means that the time taken by John to complete the work will be 1 plus 3, that is 4 days. And from here we know that the Jim efficiency and the John efficiency are same, so that means that Jim alone will also take 4 days. What's asked here is that in how many days will Jim finish the job working alone? So Jim will take as much time as John will take. So if John complete in 4 years, Jim also will complete in the 4 years. So time taken by Jim when working alone is 4 days. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you very much.